Hi guys, welcome to Chef Mooney coming to you from Mooney's kitchen. Today's recipe is going to be a beautiful smashed avocado. Really popular cafe breakfast brunch dish. I'm going to show you how to make it. You don't have to go and spend $18 or $20 somewhere else. Come and watch me. We can put it all together and you can make this for yourself at home. Let's go over the ingredients. I've got some cherry tomatoes here. You can use tomatoes on the vine, which would be really nice. I've got about 60 grams of spinach. We're going to combine some ricotta cheese in with some feta cheese. We've got the star of the show, which is the avocados. I've got small avocados here, 4 of those. We're going to add some lemon zest. I've got some white vinegar to add to the water when we poach our eggs. I've got some beautiful sourdough bread here, which we're going to toast. A little bit of salt and pepper, and we're going to drizzle a little bit of this sun-dried tomato oil just over the top, scatter it over there. So the first thing we're going to do is we're going to get our avocados ready, and then everything else we'll assemble, and we'll start cooking the eggs and frying off the tomatoes just gently with a bit of salt and pepper. You just dig it out with a spoon like that. Then I'm just going to mash them up with a fork. Just going to grate a little bit of lemon zest. Just pop that in. And also a bit of lemon juice. Just a squeeze of lemon juice. You can use lime, which is really nice as well. And that stops the avocado from going brown. Just let it mash up. A little bit of sea salt in there. Some cracked black pepper. I'm going to break up 100 grams of the feta cheese through there. And I'm also going to use 100 grams of ricotta cheese. And we just want to gently fold this in. Alright, let's pop that aside. Okay, I'm going to put a touch of oil in each of the pans. This one here is to toast off the sourdough bread. Just a touch of oil in there. I'm going to put a touch of oil in this one. That's for my tomatoes and my spinach. Got my pan of water on the back there, ready to go to poach the eggs. I'm going to toss in some tomatoes. Turn the heat down nice and low. Now I've cut my bread in half. I'm going to put that down and toast that, gently fry it in the pan there till it's nice and golden brown. Time to turn over our sourdough. I'm going to push those tomatoes aside just a little and toss in my spinach. Might seem quite a lot, but it's going to wilt down. So that's 60 grams of spinach. It's a small little bag there. Let's have a look at our bread. It's all nice and toasty. You can actually turn that pan off now and just let that the heat of the pan just keep that toast nice. Now over the back my water is on a gentle simmer. I'm just going to give it a bit of a swirl. It's got the vinegar in there. Give it a bit of a swirl. And to make it easy, I've put my eggs into a cup so that they don't break. So I'm going to just pop those in to the water. 1, 2, and let those eggs poach nicely now. Turn your spinach over. And as you can see, this is very, very quick. It's a very simple, easy recipe. We're ready to plate up now. So by the time we plate everything ready to go, my eggs are going to be cooked. soft egg, the tomato, crunchy bread, and that gorgeous soft egg. Thanks again for watching my channel. Hope you subscribe if you haven't. If you're new to the channel, please do. Click that notification bell, follow me on Facebook and Twitter. And until my next recipe, take care.